the 2006 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, four-passenger truck provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.